Hello from Omniweb. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set up a Twilio account, purchase and configure a phone number, verify a custom caller ID, and connect everything to AI Call Center by Omniweb so you can start making outbound calls with a masked number. 1. Create your Twilio account. Sign up for a free Twilio account at twilio.com. After verifying your email and phone, log in and navigate to the Phone Numbers section. 2. Purchase a Twilio phone number. In Phone Numbers, click Manage and then Buy a number. Browse available numbers or search for one in your desired area code. Click Buy to add it to your account. This becomes my Twilio phone number. 3. Retrieve your credentials. From the console's Account Info panel, copy your account SID and auth token in AI Call Center by Omniweb, or your integration. Paste these into the corresponding SID and token fields and click Update Credentials. Once updated, your Twilio account will appear as a connected service. 4. Verify a caller ID to mask your number. Twilio requires you to verify any phone number you plan to display as the caller ID on outbound calls. In Twilio's console, go to Verify Caller IDs, sometimes labeled Caller ID Verification. Click Add New Caller ID, enter the number you wish to mask with, and choose SMS or voice call for verification. Enter the code you received to complete verification. 5. Add your verified caller ID in AI Call Center by Omniweb and go to Add Caller ID or Add Follower ID. In the drop-down menu, select your newly verified number and click Add. This number will now appear as the calling number on your outbound calls, hiding your true Twilio number. 6. Optional. Enable multiple SIP trunks. By default, a free trial or basic Twilio account only allows one SIP trunk. To create additional trunks, upgrade your Twilio plan, or request production access in the console's voice settings. Once upgraded, repeat step 3 to 5 for each new trunk and caller ID you wish to add. 7. Test your setup. In AI Call Center by Omniweb, select any agent profile you've created. Choose the Twilio connection and your verified caller ID. Then initiate a test call to confirm that your masked number displays correctly on the recipient's phone. You're now ready to make professional, masked outbound calls through Twilio and AI Call Center by Omniweb.